Here we go, helicopter carrying a Danby water bucket. It's an old Huey. Not that old. Not old at all. And let's see if we can get a shot of its water bucket. Uh-oh, it's looking awfully close. Crap, there goes my afternoon. Well, at least we're fairly wet. We do have an excellent firefighting infrastructure in these parts, being that it's so semi-arid. What the hell? Holy crap, this is close. What's happening here? What the hell is going on? No, you cannot dump from there. Go to the channel way. No dipping from my desert duck pond. Maybe it's just practicing. I did hear say they were starting up a new helicopter school in Oliver here. Yes, get that, at Little Oliver Airport. There is a huge Okanagan Helicopters based out of West Bank, which is Kelowna. Yeah, I think he's just